what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some magic liquid on your hands. I know. Mix that in like so. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Get in between your fingers like this. And around like that. Yep. Put your hands out so you can catch it. You ready? I know. Now mix that all in. Okay. You having fun? Okay. Go ahead and mix that in. You stretch. Let me see. Bubble making sound. Not yet. Have you mixed it all in?
Is done for the day. Bye. I'm just going to use this first. Got it. I wonder how to make it. I'll just follow the roots. I'm not going to put too much. I might dump the whole thing. I will make it like not too small, but... I'm gonna carefully put that a little bit. I don't know how to do it. That's hard. I'm not good at it. I don't even know how much glue we have. I'm gonna put this on this one. Mom, I need your help. Stop, stop, stop.
Compared to the luxury Hello Kitty princess. So which one is like the slime that you want?
Hello Kitty Princess.
Really?
Uh-huh.
But this one you make it.
But it's like really not really stretchy. I shouldn't add glue first.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Yeah. We learn, have fun, make a mess at your job, right?
Uh-huh. But at least I have color.
Uh-huh.
I knew it would work. That's what happened, the color. And the last thing that I just want to say, do you like the rich princess slime better or do you like at home slime? Put the comment on. Have your dad and mom put the comment on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you have a sparkle day. Bye guys.